Okay, so this is a quick video and a real funny surprise that I just got when I just went to my mailbox today. And this is a gift from my really good friend Skoggit. And I think you guys on my channel probably subscribed to him already. He's got an awesome channel. He does everything from really unbelievable down-home cooking to fantastic barbecues to gun reviews. It does a little bit of everything, some really good stories. He's a very interesting character, that's for sure. And we've been friends for several years on YouTube, and I really consider him a really good buddy. I watch all his videos, he watches all of mine, and what can I say? And from time to time, we do a little gift exchange, and this was just really kind of cool. He sent me this cast iron chocolate chip cookie set. Now, I don't know how he knew that I have a chocolate chip cookie addiction, so to speak, so he must have just guessed that, but it's really cool. So this is a kit. I'm not going to open it on right now, but basically it's got this mixture in it, and you just have to add a little vegetable oil and some butter and some salt, and you mix this together and you make just a giant chocolate chip, which is going to be fantastic. I have my little grandson staying with me right now, so I know he's going to get a kick out of helping me mix this up in the pan and baking this. And I just like to say a big shout out and thank you to my good friend Skoggit, and I'm going to leave a link to his channel in the comment section below or the description below, and you guys should check him out. It's just a fun guy, and I say it all the time, and not to be so corny, but the biggest part about this whole YouTube channel community for me is the friendships that I made on here. You guys know I took a little break for the last month. I've been traveling, partly for work, partly for business, and I haven't been making any videos, but I still watch you guys. So even if I don't make videos, I still watch my favorite channels, because really, I always say, what's the alternative? For me, regular television is just boring. I'm not interested in watching other people's reality shows. If I want to watch a reality show, it may be someone that I feel I have a vested interest in, like another YouTube channel, and see what's going on in their life. That's the only people besides my immediate friends and family that I really give a darn about. So, YouTube has just opened up a world of friendship for me in the last 2 years I've been doing this, and I'm having a lot of fun. And as long as I'm having fun, and as long as I keep meeting good people like Skoggit and some of you other guys out there that, support me and write funny comments and this and that, then, I'm going to keep going. So again, thank you, Skoggit. This was a very welcome surprise. I got it. It's been in the post office for a while, and I just picked it up today. So thanks again, and we'll talk to you soon. All right. Thanks very much, everybody.